Hello everyone, this is the 7th lecture in our series of videos covering common idioms and phrases. A chip on one's shoulder. Being upset for something that happened in the past. Joel is walking around with a chip on his shoulder because he was left out of the team. Let bygones be bygones. To forget about a disagreement or argument. You need to put all that bad feeling behind you and let bygones be bygones. Know the ropes. To understand the details. He'll be a lot more productive once he knows the ropes. An arm and a leg. Very expensive. This new bike cost me an arm and a leg. A dark horse. A person who has a chance of succeeding, although no one expects them to. Colin could be a dark horse to win a medal. Cry over spilt milk. Complain about a loss from the past. Forget about it. There's no point crying over spilt milk. An axe to grind. To have a dispute with someone. Tiffany has an axe to grind with Lewis. He left her laptop out in the rain. Add fuel to the fire. Make a bad situation even worse. Being rude to her will just add fuel to the fire. She's already upset. A piece of cake. A task that can be accomplished very easily. I'll have the car fixed by lunchtime. It's a piece of cake. Finding one's feet. To become more comfortable in whatever you're doing. John moved here 3 weeks ago. He's still finding his feet. Give someone the slip. To get away from someone. The policeman chased the girl into the building, but she gave him the slip in the lobby. Flash in the pan. Something or someone that shows potential in the beginning, but fails to deliver anything in the end. Edward's political career turned out to just be a flash in the pan. He never won a major election. To play devil's advocate. Playing a position for the sake of argument, without actually believing in it. I'm just playing devil's advocate to prepare you for the live debate tomorrow. A slap on the wrist. A very mild punishment. The judge gave her a slap on the wrist, seeing as it was her first offense. And that brings us to the end of today's class. For more information on our one-to-one classes with a native speaking teacher, please visit speakeasy1to1.com. Thanks for watching.